This is a Okerenkoko federated community. Since the year 2009, these houses has been bombarded by the JTF Joint Task Force. All were abandoned by the projectors. Those who budget for the whole community abandoned away with it. As you can see, this is a building bombarded. This is a Okerenkoko community. This part of the Okerenkoko is being known as the Bama. This part of the Okerenkoko is being known as the Bama. As you can see, this is a bridge budgeted by the federal government of Nigeria. Oh Lord of mercy. It was done as incorrect and oh Lord. As you can see, the bridge is broke down. Yeah, these are facilities used by the contractors. They all came here and take a snap of these things as the early stage of the contract, and after everything they left and we haven't seen anything up to date. This is Okerenkoko Federated Community, Delta State of Baramatu Kingdom. As you can see, since 2009 May 13 up to date, no house has been built. Oh, what a shame in Nigerdelta. How can we solve this? We have seen a solution. The only solution to this is non-violence. Apply the taxes of non-violence. Attack the forces of evil, not the person doing evil. This will only be solved.